Next item. It's a fancy remote control. Not been used. But, yeah, I got my audio back on because, I just found my charger. It's in the other one. Yeah. So, yeah, I got this fancy looking remote control. This one's from Blue Car, but no, he wants me to whack it or keep it here. I don't know. I'm not too sure, but can't keep it here. It's unacceptable. What happened? Got whacked? Fancy stuff. I'm spinning the shelf. No, I dropped my pen. My pencil. Fancy pencil. Yeah, she's stupid. It's too fancy. I'm slouching in this stupid room. Now I'm slouching on my shelf. Stupid thing. Oh, it's too curvy. Oh, man, it's too big and It's too big and bulky. It's already broken. Huh? There's lots of damages, but this is really indestructible for me, but to them it's already got smashed up a lot. Don't know. Maybe sometimes it's a great quote. Sometimes some quotes are good, some quotes are not. Some of them a bit too strong. So, yeah. Junk. Alright, my rack is too bouncing. What happened here? Oh, stop the audio. Oh, let's make it worse. There we go. Stupid thing. Come on, fancy remote. Man, this is stupid. Stupid thing. Ew, what is that? Gross. Alright, on to the next one.